All right, I'm here to show you how to make some really delicious and quick bacon wrapped eggs. And all I did was I took my bacon and I cooked it probably for like 10 minutes or so. You don't cook it all the way through, but this helps it to just be a little bit more crispy at the end. So what I did was I cooked it on the sheet for about 10 minutes or so, and then some of the grease, I used it to grease my muffin pan. And all you do is you just take the bacon and you just wrap it. Okay, so we're just going to put it all in. And if you don't care whether or not your bacon is crispy, then you don't have to do the first step, which is cooking it for about 10 minutes. But if you're like me and you like crispy bacon, then do go ahead and cook it for 10 minutes. This is what it looks like. I just wrap the bacon in here, and then we're just going to take the egg, and just simply open it, crack it, and put it in the middle. That's it. Product right here. And then you can just sprinkle just a little bit of salt, because remember, you already have salt from the bacon. And you don't have to put salt. I just like to put a little bit more salt on the egg. We're gonna pop them in the oven. And here is the finished product after we baked it in the oven.
Delicious. Delicious. That's a big word.